All right, well, welcome to our Snooze News. I make them laugh, I don't know why. Just my voice. I know you're probably super stressed out because it's the holiday season, and I know I am because I'm trying to get done with all my work and I have him as a boss. But we have some good ideas for you if you are still thinking about what you need to give as gifts this holiday season.
Especially for yourself, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a firm believer to give gifts to children.
True.
Not so much.
Treat yourself.
There you go. But, you know, I mean, like we work really hard. We decorate our house. We decorate the bedroom. And it's very pretty. But at the end of the day, I want folks to understand, look at this bed. It's beautiful, right?
It looks like a lot of time and effort went into making that.
It did. A lot of time and effort to make it.
I don't know if I could do that every morning.
You can't, but your mama can.
That's true.
Because she enjoys it. There you go.
Oh, yeah, I'll move back and be there every morning.
Hell no. But that's the other side of it. My point is, it looks pretty, right? What you should consider for yourself is, what's under all of this? Is it really comfortable? Are you going to rest well? So I'm going to give you a tip. If you're going to really want to spend something that you're going to enjoy and not going to have one of those holidays that you bought and spent a lot of time, you know, and worked really hard and stressed out, and then at the end you're laying in bed or sitting in your living room and going, I love the family coming over and having such a great time, but you really don't feel like you've done something that is good for you. You've spent the time, you've spent the money, but you don't feel like fulfilled, that you've really accomplished something for yourself. Get a bed. Get a good bed. Sleep well. Rest up. You'll be so much happier when you're done with the holidays. And then going into the new year, right? You will sleep well, you'll feel well, and I think that should be one of the top lists that you should think about purchasing for yourself or family members. Doesn't matter.
Your guest beds.
Right.
Your children.
Right. You know?
Your dogs.
Absolutely, the dogs. I love the dogs. Your children maybe not so much. Your dogs.
The dogs.
Perfect. The point is, we all go through this. It's very stressful. We try to please a lot of people. We try to do the right thing. We have family. We have friends. We want to have a good time when we're together. But at the end of the day, we need to relax and we need to rest well.
So basically, by buying a mattress, you're investing in your health. So with all seriousness, we say this all the time. Sleep is important. Sleep is the most important thing for you to get for your life,
Correct.
for your well-being.
Correct.
And so this holiday season, if you want to give a good gift, you give sleep.
That's right. Come to see us. We will meet your budget and fit you to the best mattress that you should be fitted at your budget, and you will sleep better. And Rachel is absolutely right. That bed, which in most people's mind, it's only a rectangle, that is one of the most important health products that you could ever have in your life. You sleep well, you'll feel well. So if you do, as I always say, don't approach this as a purchase, like you bought a pillow or a tree or lights or whatever. Approach this as an investment. This is not something you're going to wrap up at the end of the holidays and put somewhere for next year. Invest in your good night's sleep, and you will be healthier in the coming year. So we want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas.
Happy holiday. Also, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't say that we are running a sale. I sound like one of those car salesmen. But we do have 25% off happening in the showroom. So you'll be investing in your sleep. And like you've all said, you're already getting good prices. And on top of that, you're going to have 25% off select showroom items. Everything is on sale here.
Right.
There's just some items that have already been marked down more than 25%.
Very good. And the last thing I want to say is now you saw a generational difference. I said Merry Christmas. She said Happy Holidays.
It's respectful.
It's wrong. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Knock yourself on Kwanzaa. And everything else I did not know, I wish you only the best. May God bless you with good health, happiness, joy, and enjoyment of your family forever. Good holidays. What the hell does that mean?